A NOT gate, or inverter, is a logic gate where the output is the opposite of the input. So you can say that the output is not the same as the input. It's often called an inverter since it inverts the input. You could also think of it as a complement or the opposite. Whatever signal is passed through, you'll get the inverted, the opposite, the complement of whatever signal was given. The schematic symbol for an inverter is like a buffer, just with a circle at the output to indicate that it's an inverted version of the input. The logic or Boolean expression for a NOT gate is Q is the opposite of A. Now, a NOT gate can only have one input, and its truth table is pretty simple since there are only two possible states, the input being high or 1 or the input being low or 0. You may also see this circle representing NOT or invert on many other gates. We'll go through that through another time, but for now, just know that if you see this little circle, it means that logic is being inverted.